is Jheel and welcome to my channel. Good morning from Thailand. This is the second day, and I'll just give you a heads up for this vlog that I got my periods last night when I was on Walking Street, which was the last vlog. And this is the view that you're seeing from my room where I'm staying. And I'll go for breakfast buffet, which is obviously the part of the package in the hotel, and then I'll head to get pads. And this vlog has a lot of, such funny things in it. So keep watching. This country has a lot of food. मतलब यहाँ किसी को पैड का मतलब नहीं पता, सैनिटरी नैपकिन नहीं पता, मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल नहीं पता, कुछ नहीं पता. आई एम सो स्ट्रगलिंग जस्ट टू गेट माई सेल्फ सैनिटरी नैपकिन. देयर आर नो. गॉड, इनको पता ही नहीं है. मैमी पोगो पैंट्स है यहाँ पे. मैन, दिस इज सो डिफिकल्ट. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू फाइंड वन. Sophie, hang on, got it. Oh my god. Bali, Thailand. Every place the first day I'm in periods. So my periods are also traveling with me. All the international places. It's day 2. Day 1 I had my precautions. Now I have to buy. Yoo-hoo. Let's buy. Excuse me. Is it for girls? How much? How much baht? This I wanted. This. For girls?
29 บาท อันนี้มิดไนท์นะ
For girls?
yes
For girls?
yes นี่กลางวันหมดแล้ว
29 baht.
yes
Okay, 29 baht. I think I'm gonna take these only क्योंकि यहाँ तो और कोई option है नहीं. Alright, they have tampons also. Okay, let me just buy because at 9 we have to leave for Coral Island and this is how day 2 started with breakfast and this thing. जिंदगी में किसी भी शहर में अगर तुम्हें पैड्स ना मिले तो बच्चों के डायपर के आसपास वाले कलेक्शन देखना, उसमें पड़ेंगे. देखो, मैमी पोगो पैड्स. कैन यू इमेजिन, मुझे ये होटल में ऐसे ले जाना है क्योंकि ये लोग पेपर थैली कुछ नहीं दे रहे. तो भाषा की प्रॉब्लम ऊपर से. वेलकम टू थाई, यू डोंट हैव पॉली बैग्स. माय गुडनेस. हाँ, वैसे आई डोंट रियली केयर. आई डोंट नो केयर, बट देन let's get going. So that was my struggle with finding the pads in a different country. And after that we got ready. Now we are heading in the bus to a beach from where we are going to take a speedboat to Coral Island. And now you'll be listening to Watson.
No, jet ski, banana ride with your team. Enjoy swimming, roaming. At the island, we will provide beach chair. Now, where you can sit, relax.
Oh my god, this is day 2 and we have come to a beach from where the speedboat is going to take us to Coral Island. पीछे माइमा is coming. और इन्होंने हमारे हाथ पे एक धागा बांध के फ़ोटो लिया ताकि इनको पता चले हम सब एक टीम के और इंडियन लोग हैं, क्योंकि ऐसे पता नहीं चलता अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट.
Now you get them speaking.
पे बैठ सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ आगे बैठ सकते हैं ना.
मेरे को वो लग रहे हैं.
अरे यार क्या यार पास ऑन कर दिया जाके प्लीज होल्ड बैठ आगे रख दो ना कहीं. अरे यार हाँ कहीं भी जगह नीचे रखो. आगे कौन कौन ज्यादा बैठ
हम लोग.
Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, you didn't walk up with it, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'm doing forever in a minute. That summer night, and ever since he got Milo in him, he got me feeling like
And we have stopped at a midway before Coral Island जहाँ पे parasailing, paragliding, sea walk और water sports हो रहे हैं. So people are enjoying here. People from my team. I cannot for obvious reasons. Yeah, periods. Right. You got me right. Again, now we are sitting in the same speedboat or maybe different one. I don't know because I don't really care. I can't do any activities. And we are heading back to Coral Island. वहाँ जाके भी मैं कौन सा कुछ उखाड़ लूँगी. I can't do anything. You guys just enjoy these videos which I have made in slow motion.
oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, you didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'm doing forever in a minute. That summer night, and ever since he got Milo in him, he got me feeling like
Yay! We have reached Coral Island, man. Beaches makes me happy. They're so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so nice. So like such clean beach. I'm so happy and I'm sad at the same time because I cannot do anything. I cannot get into the water. And I'm wearing my pretty pink dress and I'm going to run on the beach. That's all I can do.
So after taking 2 speedboat rides, we have made it to Coral Island, which looks like this. Nothing how we expected. We are moving right. I'll take my chappal. So nothing like how we expected. Oh, sorry for my bad throat. क्योंकि किसी भी पराए देश में जाके मुझे मेरी आवाज़ तो खोनी ही होती है, क्योंकि हम इंडियन ऐसे ही बड़े हुए हैं. बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें हैंडल कर लेते, छोटी ही नहीं होती, जैसे कि वेदर चेंज. So this is how it is. And I am so happy because I got 2 amazing slow motion made of myself on this beach. Yay! I'm looking dark. I should come with this angle. Yeah. So we made it to this island और अब मैं बस यहाँ पे chill कर लो. 1:30 बजे हमारा lunch है. For that we are going to some place on the beach, I think. And then later evening we have a party in some club called Nissa, which is on Walking Street. Apparently I'm not really sure about that. So yeah, and then tomorrow we are leaving. We'll go to Bangkok first. We'll do the shopping. Then we'll go to the airport. And I think my vlogs are going to be long and like, क्योंकि एक दिन में हमारा दिन बहुत लंबा जा रहा है. Like we are having really long days. So I'm going to separate them and make into the parts, like making them in the parts. I hate this angle, I'm not coming good. So this is it. I'll make you guys see ये कैसा लग रहा है. ये पहाड़ियाँ हैं, ये आइलैंड है और यार ये बहुत स्कैटर्ड है सब कुछ यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये स्पीड बोट्स हैं. एक तो उनकी कलर सिमेट्रिकल नहीं है, सब अलग अलग हैं, कोई पुराने ज़माने कोई नए ज़माने की. हम एक्चुअली बीच से ऊपर आ गए हैं, यहाँ पे जो साइड वे होता है, और अब यहाँ से व्यू दिख रहा है. ऑल्दो द कलर ऑफ द वाटर इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, द बीच इज़ ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स वे टू मच क्राउडेड एंड these speed boats have killed it. So if you plan to come in, if you're planning to come to Coral Island, be prepared for this and get your own chappals. So I have not covered my OTG outfit of the day. मैंने ये पहना है, मैंने बाली में लिया था और मैंने बाली में भी यही पहना था बीच पे. मैंने अभी भी ये पहना है. I like it. मुझे ज़्यादा ऐसे कपड़े, हाँ I got it. See, we are very quicker. Yeah. Photo खींचो फटाफट deliver करो. So the point is that I don't like really shopping specifically for बीच वाली चीज़ें, क्योंकि रोज़ तो जाती नहीं हूँ. ये चप्पल 2014 में मैंने बिग बाज़ार से खरीदी थी, जो मेरे बीच पे काम आती रहती है. So I take this along. I did not buy a new chappal, although I really needed a new chappal. But so this is what I'm wearing. I'm happy. तो मैं अपने ट्रिप के फ़ोटो ज़्यादा पोस्ट नहीं करूँगी इंस्टाग्राम पे, क्योंकि मैंने बाली में भी यही पोस्ट किया था, यही कपड़ों में. So nothing much. It's just I made a lot of videos, and this time I've made in synchronization so that I can post my vlogs. Bali के time पे I did not have much of, understanding of how to put them in space. This time I planned things, so I hope they work out really well. Travel people, travel. Please go to a beach. Even if you're a mountain person, you should go to a beach. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो दोनों है, mountains भी और beach भी. तेरी मेरे beach. I don't know. Okay, I should shut up. Can you see my name? Okay, I met these people on the beach. So you're from?
Yeah.
You are from Turkey.
Turkey.
Where are you from? Turkey. Okay.
Turkey. Istanbul.
Istanbul. Oh, you're from Istanbul. Okay. Say hello. बीच का काम खत्म हो गया. अब हम लंच के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो I've changed into my shorts. मैं कितनी गंदी दिख रही हूँ. जब तक धूप नहीं आती ना चेहरे पे, you don't look nice.
And that's it for Coral Island. Now we are heading back to the hotel. शाम को एक party है, which is said to be the highlight of this office trip. Let's see, I have a very special outfit planned for it. So I'll see you guys in that video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.